Okay class, now in a flow chart I am explaining you the reproduction in flower. Female gametophyte is called the embryo sac. This is the ovule, structure of ovule. This is called chaliza. This aperture we call the micropyle, and these are the nucleus. This is the mother mega sporocell sporocells. Now what happened, the cell which is very near to the micropyle will get mature, and then first it goes for the first meiotic division. In meiotic division, after meiotic division, it forms four haploid cells, in which the first three cell will get degenerate. ठीक है, these are the four megaspore फॉर्म होते हैं, जिनमें से जो पहले 3 होते हैं वो डीजनरेट हो जाते हैं, और ये जो सर्वाइविंग मेगास्पोर होता है वो आगे की प्रोसेस के लिए बढ़ता है. तो आगे की प्रोसेस में एक प्रोसेस होती है माइटोसिस डिवीज़न होते हैं, 3 माइटोसिस डिवीज़न होते हैं, और किस प्रोसेस के द्वारा, दैट इज़ कैरियोकाइनेसिस. कैरियोकाइनेसिस मतलब होता है डिवीज़न ऑफ न्यूक्लियस. इसमें 3 कैरियोकाइनेसिस हुए, जिसकी वजह से 8 न्यूक्लियस फॉर्म हुए, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ठीक है. देन आफ्टर नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस आती है साइटोकाइनेसिस की. साइटोकाइनेसिस का मतलब होता है डिवीज़न ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म. इसमें साइटोप्लाज्म का डिवीज़न होता है, जिसमें से 3 सेल्स चैल्जा पे और 3 सेल्स माइक्रोपाइल पोजीशन पे आ जाते हैं. That called they form the wall around itself. These 3 cells are called the antipodal cells. These 2 cells are called the polar nuclei. These 2 cells are called the synecrits, and ये जो बीच वाला सेल है that is from the egg. Okay, I hope you understood. एक बार फिर से समझ लो. This is the structure of ovule. One cell will get matured. It releases from the micropyle. It undergoes for the first meiotic division, in which it forms 4 haploid cells. In 4 haploid cells, the first 3 cells will get degenerate, and the last one is the surviving megaspore. It undergoes for the 3 mitotic division, in which the karyokinesis occur. Karyokinesis is the division of the nucleus. Here the 8 nuclei are formed. Then after, by the process of cytokinosis, that is the division of cytoplasm, 3 nucleus move to this direction, 3 to this direction, and the 2 will remain in between the center. These 3 cells we call the antipodal cells. These 3 cells, in which these 2 are called the synecrits, and the middle one we call the egg, and this central cell we call the polar nuclei. So this is called the female gametophyte development or embryo sac, formation of embryo sac. I hope you have understood. Make this flow chart in your notebooks, and in this way you can learn better. Thank you and have a nice day.